Welcome to the tutorial video on how to install the TruGrid desktop connector on Mac OS. First, on the TruGrid website, navigate to the knowledge base. Here, search for the article on the Mac connector. Once there, first thing we need to do is to make sure the Windows app is installed. You can do that by clicking the link in the article. Then, in the App Store, download the app if it's not already there. Our next step is downloading the connector software. Scroll to the link in the article and download it. Once the download finishes, run the installer. Follow the instructions on the screen, authenticate when asked, and finish the installation. Close the installer. You can safely delete the installer package. Now, go back to the App Store and make sure the Windows app is installed and able to run. Next, navigate to your Applications folder and locate the TruGrid Mac connector and run it. Once the app runs, enter your TruGrid username and password. You can also choose to have the connector remember your credentials for the next time. Next, authenticate by either typing in the MFA code or approving the notification. You should now be able to see the devices assigned to you by your TruGrid administrator. Let's try to connect to one of them. On the next pop-up, enter the credentials for the device you are connecting to. And that's it. You are now successfully connected to your device and your TruGrid Mac connector is installed. Thank you for using TruGrid and see you in the next video.